Em say Ken Ofori Atta nsem eba no me din kan eba be report wo so. Na me report wo so na asem am kan say de mate and say the Attorney General involved in na Ken Ofori Atta America ICE for detaining no. Na ICE no ye kan na nkrofo ate ase a omo akwa say immigration officers a wo mo Ghana ha say no in America for immigration officers. Now sansem ne ba ya ye kekan no later information be braba ama ye hu say well probably it looks like ICE might even it looks like the Attorney General might even not be the reason why Ken Ofori Atta has been picked up. It looks like he has overstayed the US visa. And unti na Ken Ofori Atta ya picking it up. Na ehun sensem be briaba. Miame mame ba kon efreme. Emma o tretre nsem wani so etreme. Na wotie nsem ana me mame kana. Na o mama ti ase se sa de we Ken Ofori Atta de we ya ekoso kra no. Maybe at the end of the day kra no Ken Ofori Atta bia ye mbone mba Ghana. Because Ken Ofori Atta and that here say still our visa ewo UK or some Canadian visa. See I don't know the immigration system. I don't know how it looks like. I don't know senior dealings not eti. But say we are Ghana ni na rejoice at this point. We are Ghana ni na weniaji at this point. Second of all, at a bona bagana, say chinchen so kakra atiasie. From what Miami mame bako friend me walk at no, apparently no, it could even be a big plan. I can Ofori Atta nankasa no wash. I don't know. But we are going to go into Manasseh Azori, Ninsembia Wababeka, and then we are going to read comments to understand what is going on. Into Ken Ofori Atta nsem no more details about. And then our first time we have subscribing, now click the notification bell on so. Oya nesa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka na ebusuafo me pese me kan mo se wotie me na opese wo invest ewo Ghana. If you want to invest in this country, there are 4 different sectors am pese wo invest ewo and your recommendation na nini na no matro book asanya ma no ewo book nim 4 different sectors in this country am ma invest wa aboa me. No be biara me tu ne for say wono nso enye investment in that sector no we hu eson faso e wo book ni mu book ni your friend the Ghanaian investor. It is a practical guide a better how to invest in Ghana and especially how to invest in the Ghanaian stock exchange. Pe book ni bi na to 100 cedis pe na pe book na to 0558074986 WhatsApp and as a fresh number no book no ni PDF wo ho ni tree video wo ho ni English video enso wo ho. There is a link in the comment box, so click it so obenya book no even the hard copy and everything you want. What you say now yan concept ni mo I say Ken Ofori Atta's US visa. I say some are asking why US immigration authorities have arrested and detained Ken Ofori Atta before the expiration of his visa on February 14th. From what I know, certain categories of visa holders must not stay beyond a specified period at a time, even if their visas are still valid. So, for instance, if Ken Ofori Atta was expected to leave after 6 months at each visit, he could have issues with the U.S. immigration authorities even before February 14th, 2026, when his U.S. visa expires. Now, see, Ken Ofori Atta's UK visa will expire on April 21st, 2032. And his Canadian visa will expire on May 31st, 2031. That's a Ken Ofori Atta or UK visa. Or some Canadian visa. The Canadian visa no ebe expire in 2031. The UK visa never expire in 2032. And so this is what Manasseh Azori is saying. Now, send America no I don't know anything about visa and same ne sanya mano Ghana for amomo tu kwanya kwa abroche mu na munim san same way. I don't know anything about these things, right? But I think say at this point, what does it mean? Okay, and I'm asking Ghana for amomo abroche munim san same. If he has a valid visa, a valid Canadian visa or a valid UK visa, then you see a deportation no is it coming to, okay, I think, is the deportation coming to your country, the country of origin? Ana say eyedien oman a wode ebia American visa ne ye ana say eyedien. But what if Ken Ofori Atta American visa no or ye mbra no wo UK? Is that even possible? Can he do that? Is that possible? If that is the case, if Ken Ofori Atta is being deported, will he be deported to Ghana, or he will be deported to UK, or he will be deported to Canada? So it is raising a lot of questions. Ama Ghana for omo no more rejoice say Ken Ofori Atta ndi ebe bona no emo omo ahye kra fele say bi kra na Ken Ofori Atta yambo namba. Now obisi, so Ken mastered global travel visas but still tripped over basic US stay limits. Funny how the US plays immigration referee when it sues them. Suddenly strict with forms, timelines, and overstays, yet selective everywhere else. Accountability really does travel, just not evenly. As the meaning with a little breathing space can lead him to UK or Canada. To be as more can say, a tracer Ken Ofori Atta see nim ni ejane ketu ebia obedwane ako UK and answer Canada. That's what someone is saying. I don't know whether that is possible. But more say in some way as no. I think say I was say motretre asiye ma yemu bimo yati asiye. I say the mostly likely scenario is that he was detained when he went for his green card interview for his adjustments of status. ICE has been doing that lately for suspected individuals. You think you are going for green card appointments only to go meet ICE waiting for you. Also, so he's not coming to Ghana till the next MPP party is in power. Nice. Obi asema walk and no. Say Ken Ofori Atta nya dia woba Ghana until say MPP aban ebebaso because he has valid UK visas, valid UK and then Canadian visas. That's what someone is saying. Okay. I say assuming his visa is multiple entries and expire February 26th, which means he can enter the USA multiple times till February 26th. But the length of his stay every visit is determined by customs official at the airport upon arrival. He overstayed his stay permits for this visit, even though, okay, not just say, basically, no, the air can say, Ken Ofori Atta, oshe, ne US visa ne krana, I say, enche den wu yes, because they will February. But, wa overstay, once a visa ne valid till February, into no, obetu ya multiple entry. But, wa overstay, ne entry, this, particular entry, no, wa overstay. Basically, that's what I am getting from this. Also, then he should have gone to either one of those places before he was arrested. I think he was afraid both Canada and the UK would be more willing to extradite him. He didn't count on being detained. I don't think he's given the permanent residence visa either. Also, he certainly applied for adjustment of status, I suspect. The application has been declined and immigration decided to pick him up pending removal. I don't see him successfully in staying irrespective of his legal team. Don't forget informal discussions, government to government, okay? Also, don't trust Ken Ofori Atta on this. Don't forget he got some good lawyers in America behind him and they know how to play this game very well. I am sure they are up to something. Enti asemwa senia me ma me ne friend me ka kire me no. Eno nso no obi nso ka se ono de osusu se we a plan. Ken Ofori Atta is probably up to something. I say ICE detains Ken Ofori Atta even though he applied to change his status to residency with a decision due by end of January 2026. He's also fighting prostate cancer. How is this legal or even humane? Due process or a code box taking exercise? I am angry and you should be too. Also, this is a ploy. Don't trust Ken Ofori Atta. So some people, a lot of people are raising questions. I will most say, at the end, I say it is not making sense. Now it looks like it is a game Ken Ofori Atta is playing. I say if Ken Ofori Atta applied to change status to residency with a decision due by end January 2026, why is ICE detaining him now while he is battling prostate cancer? On what lawful basis and to what humane end? Process should lead, not cuffs. This needs answers fast. So it looks like there are some people. I don't know, but I'll not be surprised. Okay, I'll not be surprised. There are some people who are here speaking on behalf of Ken Ofori Atta. Now, I want to show you something, right? I want to show you. Adia Bruni friend troll farm. Okay. Into this person, kasa defending Ken Ofori Atta. And specific words I will use here. I say Ken Ofori Atta is fighting prostate cancer. And then the idea no humane. At yasiye. Now this person I will cancer asem no. Oshe ne we ne soa. Ojoine Twitter December 2025. Enye account bi abeka say exist yache, right? No problem. Ono na cancer. Another person by the name Esther Kumsin. And so you use the same words. Ono so use ice. Ono so use detaining. Ono so use prostate cancer. And also use humane end. Into humane. At yasiye. This account also joined Twitter December 2025. Also having no followers. Okay. Now, the same another person, John Prempe, the same thing, humane. At yasiye. And also, utumi hune say the same person here check here. Inti clearly no, yatun krofwe gumwa. Omo person omo babe defend Ken Ofori Atta, and that's quite funny. Nini no. But basically, this is the story. Allegedly, Ken Ofori Atta is playing with the minds of Ghanaians. Allegedly, I don't know. But I'm going to try your comment box. But that's it.